like angry.
Yo. It's like, I got my glasses. I fell. I got on my glasses because it's a little rough right now. It's like, that was my boo on my breast cancer now.
I meant to push nut. Trash fight.
We have a lot of candy.
Trash fight. Ow! I hit my head.
Okay, let me take these dumb glasses off because they're not staying on. Hey, can see me like it all?
Oh my god!
Let's get the shit out.
I'm trying to get. Hold on, girl.
Let's play some music. Besides, my laptop has the better music on it, actually.
It probably does.
It does. I know it does.
Oh, I just
Does
found
it still like play the video whenever you bring up like the internet?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, man. My lips are moving really slow though. What are you doing?
Cut on some light. Ow, shoot!
I can see in the dark because I'm just that good. I wear my sunglasses at night so I can where? I've never seen it. I forgot. Oh, it's well, it's just there. Wow. I was not typing like that. Yeah.
Excuse me. Oh my god, what's that? Oh, it's my skin. I think I cut it on the tree.
Probably did when I fell and broke my arm.
I got a tree where it stuck in my ass crack.
My shoulder popped out of place. I'm serious. I had to like go like that and it like popped back in to normal. Why is your computer so slow?
Because it needs that virus protection stuff.
Dang. It's good you got that too. I'm about to listen to my song.
What's your song?
It will if it'll ever pop up, I can tell you. Okay, we're gonna end this real quick so we're gonna